Hello and welcome in Cadence 360 tutorial videos. Today in this video we are going to complete exercise number 24. Okay, so let's move to exercise 24, and here we have our exercise 24. So first of all we will create this 2D profile, and then we will extrude it to 100. Then we will subtract this portion 100 by 60 from top view. Okay, so let's start. Click on sketch tool. Next, select the plane. Okay, next thing is draw 150 straight horizontal line. Then draw a tapered line. Then draw this 60 mm horizontal line. Next, join it. Okay, now specify the dimension. Distance of this horizontal line from this bottom line is 70, so dimension it is 70. Next, horizontal distance of this point from this is 30, so select this one and then specify the value 30. So here we have our profile, and next thing is we have to draw a similar looking profile which is 10 from outer periphery. Okay, this is 10 from this outer, from top, from side, from bottom. So we will use offset tool, then select this profile, use offset value 10 and offset direction inside. So click on this. Okay, so here we have our inner profile which is 10 mm from outer profile. Click on finish sketch, click on home. Next thing is extrude tool. Select the close profile and drag it sideways, and the extrude distance will be 100. So specify the distance value 100. Make it symmetric, measurement whole length, and then okay. Next thing is you have to cut this portion. Okay, this one. So you have to draw a 100 by 60 profile on the top, and then we will extrude it downward, and then we will subtract it from the main body. Okay, so click on the sketch, select the top surface as a plane. Next thing is draw a sketch, and distance between these two lines are 60, so specify the value 60. Next thing is this cutout vertical line is 100 from this edge, so this one and this one, this is 100 mm. Okay, next thing is it is 20 from this edge, so select this one, select this one, and so here we have our 100 by 60, or here our profile which we will use to cut this portion. Now select extrude, select this tool, then drag it outside the body downward, and then operation will be cut. Click on the OK. So now you have your 3D model similar to this one. Okay, so this way you can draw or create a 3D model in Fusion 360. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.